Hello listeners, this is Dr. Sapna Nagpal, and through this video I am sharing a few tips to remain safe on internet. As you know that nowadays we all spend a lot of time on internet and almost all of our tasks are dependent on internet. So this increased use of internet has also increased the threat of our privacy, financial scams and other scams which can occur on internet. And through this video, I am sharing a few tips which you can follow and you can make your browsing experience, your browsing time on internet safe. So I am sharing the tips. The first tip is keep your privacy settings on. As we all have our accounts on social networking sites, and generally these sites keep the privacy settings hidden, means whatever we post on it is by default visible to general public, means everyone. But you can always make the privacy settings on by going in the settings of the social networking sites. Here I show you that on Facebook, by going on the privacy in the settings, you can always change it to, by default it is public, but you can change it to friends accept, means some friends, specific friends, only me, or even customize it. So in this way you can always change that who is authorized to view your post. Another tip is that keep your personal and professional information separate. Means whenever you are making a profile for some professional task, then do not disclose so much of your personal information. Your prospective employer or customers, they do not need your personal information. So always try to avoid your home and try to avoid to put your home address and other private information on your professional profile. So it will keep a balance in your work and personal life. Practice safe browsing. Means whenever you are browsing on internet, you are opening websites, sometimes certain links appear which give you a temptation, like you are a prize winner, or by clicking it you can get a chance to grab a job or win some money. So generally by this temptation we click on these sites and they take you to some insecure sites which intend to take your personal information, your financial details. So these type of sites can always steal your personal data and can misuse it. So always practice safe browsing. Do not click the links if you don't trust on the site or if your site is not known to you. Another tip, that make your internet connection secure. This is very important, especially when you are doing some financial transaction on internet. Then try to be on a secure network. Do not use public Wi-Fi or free Wi-Fi service for doing financial transactions. Always use your home network, or try to use a secure VPN, virtual private network connection, so that the secure connection always provides you better security for your financial transactions. Another thing which you can add here is that you can use a firewall. Firewall always inspects all the incoming and outgoing traffic on the internet. So it protects every communication on the internet, and not only your laptop and mobile, it also protects the other devices such as CCTV camera and other smart devices which are connected to the internet. Another tip is that always use strong passwords. Very important, your passwords should not be easily guessed. You should not take your name, your phone number, your date of birth as password. Always try to randomly mix alphabets, special characters and digits, and also try to mix uppercase and lowercase letters and make a random combination which cannot be easily guessed. Here's another thing which we all are doing a lot these days is online purchases from various sites. So the tip here is to do the online purchase from trusted sites only. The sites which are secure, which are well known to you. Never go to a site which you have not heard or you feel like insecure. And never save your credit card or debit card details on these sites. It is always insecure to save the details of your debit and credit card on these sites. Yes, be careful what you post. Means whenever you are posting some image, some comment, so it goes like a viral on the internet. You can never get it back. So you have to be very careful whenever you are posting something on the internet, because once you post it, it is open to the world. Another tip is that be careful who you meet online. Whenever you are meeting people online, you have to be extra careful and do not rely or go beyond a certain limit whenever you are meeting with some strangers on internet. It can also give you a lot of troubles if you trust blindly on the people online. Keep your antivirus program up to date, very important. If your antivirus program is updated, then it can save you from a lot of malware, virus, and other programs which can steal your data from your mobile or laptop. So this is very important to keep your antivirus programs updated. Yes, last tip is that be careful what you download. Always think twice whenever you are downloading something or whatever you are doing on internet, because it is very important to be careful on the virtual world. So I hope that these few tips will help you a lot to make your behavior, to make your browsing experience secure on internet. And by following these simple tips, you can make yourself more secure in the online world. So thank you, listeners.